Hi there, students. Anaphora, anaphora, and epistrophe. So anaphora and epistrophe, they're opposites. So anaphora is when you repeat the same word or the same phrases at the start of several sentences in a row to achieve effect. So, I have a dream. Yeah, and he repeats I have a dream various times. We will fight them on the beaches. Yeah, we will fight them in the fields. And okay, it's repeating the same word several times at the beginning of something, particularly either in poetry or in a speech, to add effect to it, to add strength to it. And epistrophe is where you repeat the same words again various times at the end of a sentence. Okay, so you repeat it various times at the end. Okay, so let's see. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Yeah, that's Abraham Lincoln in his Gettysburg Address. Okay, so it's the repeating of the same thing again and again. Hourly joys be still upon you. Juno sings her blessings on you. Scarcity and want shall shun you. Ceres' blessing is on you. Okay, so it's repeating the same last words. So anaphora repeating the first words again and again, and epistrophe repeating the same last words again and again. And both of these are very, very good rhetorical devices. Okay, so notice as well, anaphora, we can also use this in grammar with a different meaning. In grammar, anaphora is using a substitute word, using a grammatical substitute to avoid repeating a word. So, my father and I went to the cinema. We, by using we instead of my father and I, this is anaphora. You like the cinema, and so do I. Again, that's a proverb. It's a grammatical substitute, and that is another example of anaphora. Okay, so anaphora, most normally, the repetition of words at the phrases and words and phrases at the beginning of several clauses. We shall fight on the beaches. We shall fight on the landing grounds. We shall fight in the fields and streets. We shall fight in the hills. Yeah, he's repeating the same thing again, which gives it a lot of strength. Yeah, notice, I have a dream, Martin Luther King. Both of these speeches are very famous, and they're both of them using a lot of anaphora. Okay, so don't underestimate it, particularly if you're giving a speech, because it helps to drive your message home, and it helps to get people to remember things. And then epistrophe, the repetition of the same words at the end of phrases. So when I was a child, I spoke as a child, I understood as a child, and I thought as a child. So a child, I've repeated that word various times, and that is an example of epistrophe. Okay, so let's see. Both of these words are quite formal because these are formal rhetorical devices. 7.5 informality. using a semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, I guess a semi-formal conversation. If you were talking about poetry, yes. And then as to origin, anaphora, ana, up, and phero, I carry. So I think it's to carry something up, or to carry it up again and again. And then epistrophe, again from ancient Greek, epi, in addition, and strephein, to turn. So to turn around, to turn in addition, to add again at the end, again and again and again. So, anaphora and epistrophe, easy words. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Anaphora and epistrophe.